the small hours of this morning, the security forces moved in, reportedly both to the camp outside the University Square, which is relatively small, but also they have been approaching and moving into the Rabat al-Adawiya mosque area, which is a very substantial area indeed. Many tens of thousands of people have been camping there now for some weeks. It's really a town within a town. Now, we have these unconfirmed reports of 15 dead. It would be consistent with the previous attempts that they have made, the security forces, to clear these areas. Just over 2 weeks ago, more than 70 were killed and many hundreds, 300 plus, wounded, mostly in Rabat al-Adawiya, during a similar attempt by the security forces to go in. But they are now moving in with armored vehicles to smash down the barricades that the demonstrators, the pro-Morsi demonstrators, had erected to protect themselves. And these demonstrators, by and large, are not armed with anything other than staves. There has been evidence in the past of the use of homemade shotguns, but there not any evidence of that yet on the side of the anti-government demonstrators. But what they have done is build the steel shields, eye viewing slits, which they are hiding behind as they come under attack once again from the security forces.